too good to go. We got what looks like, oh boy, that looks like salmon. That looks amazing. That looks really good. We got 2 of them because why not? They're $5.99, and this is all the stuff you get. Like, you get whatever's left over. This, like, that looks amazing. I don't know what that is, but it looks really good. Here's like some kind of a streusel bar. Looks amazing. And then we still have 4 more. So, oh, here's another salad. That'll be good for lunch. Probably just combine the 2. And then we have, aw, a piece of red velvet cake. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at that. Chicken tenders and french fries. Hell yeah. Mashed potatoes, a whole bunch of meatballs, and peas. These are incredible. And a cake. So two salads with some delicious salmon in there, a piece of cake, a big heavy thing of potatoes, meatballs, chicken tenders, and french fries, and dessert. I'd say that's a good bag. Hell yeah.